Good morning students. English reader class 3 lesson 4 The King's Condition. Summary. Once upon a time there was a king named Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar. In his court there was a famous court poet named Tenali Rama. He was loved by the king, due to which the courtiers were jealous of him. One day the king was in a good mood, and he gave each of his courtiers a bag containing 50 gold coins. He asked all the courtiers to spend these gold coins within a week. So students, in this chapter, it's a little short moral story in which the king is Krishna Dev Raya, and in his court there is a famous person. His name is Tenali Rama. So he is very famous because of his cleverness, wisdom, and he was loved by the king, and because of that also the other courtiers were jealous of him. So one day the king gave each of the courtiers a bag containing of 50 gold coins, and he asked all the courtiers to spend the money, buy anything, but there will be one condition. All the courtiers were thrilled. He also said that at the end of the week show him what they have bought from the market, but there is one condition. Every time they had to spend a gold coin and saw the face of their king. Every courtier left for the shopping towards the market, but whenever they reached the shop, they started thinking about the king, and likewise they did not buy anything. So all the courtiers were happy and excited that they got 50 gold coins and they can shop. But the king put the condition that every time whenever they want to purchase something, they have to see the face of their king. So whenever they all are reaching to the shop, they cannot do that purchasing because they cannot see the face of their king. However, Tenali Rama bought everything by the end of the week. The king had the courtiers came to know that he bought dhoti, silk kurta for himself without seeing the face of the king. Everyone was waiting for the punishment that Tenali Rama will get. When king asked, he answered that he saw the face of the king on every purchase while giving the gold coin to the shopkeeper, because every gold coin bears the picture of your face. So the rest of the courtiers, they did not get anything, but Tenali Rama bought everything by the end of this week. So everyone was like Tenali Rama did not see the face of the king. He bought dhoti, kurta, etc. So everyone was waiting for the punishment that Tenali Rama will get. So king asked him that how you got all these things. So he was explaining that on every gold coin you have a your picture is on that particular coin. So it was easy. Whenever I was giving the gold coin to the shopkeeper, I was watching your face. So Tenali Rama fulfilled the condition laid by the king, and the king was very happy and felt proud that he had special jester in his court. So with his cleverness, he has fulfilled the condition, and the king was very happy that he has special person, special jester in his court. Opposite: start, end, single, double, new, old, happy, sad, buying, selling, clever, foolish. Word meaning. Number 1, assembles, comes together as a group. Number 2, bought, got something by paying money for it. Number 3, conditions, a rule or decision that one must agree. Number 4. Dared, being brave enough to do something. Number 5. Bravest, the most serious and important. Number 6. Market, an open area or building where people buy or sell goods. Number 7. Ornaments, objects that are worn as jewelry. Number 8. Priest, a person who is qualified to perform religious duties and ceremonies. Number 9. Puzzled, unable to understand something. Number 10. Thrilled, very excited and pleased. Number 11. Wisdom, the ability to make sensible decisions and give good advice. Answer the question. Number 1. What did King Krishna Dev Raya give to each courtier? Answer. Krishna Dev Raya gave 50 gold coins to each courtier. Number 2. What was the condition laid down by the king? Answer. The condition was that the courtiers had to see the king's face every time they spent a gold coin. Number 3. What did Tenali Rama buy for himself? Answer. He bought a new dhoti, silk kurta, beautiful scarf and a shining ring for himself. Number 4. How did Tenali Rama fulfill the king's condition? Answer. Whenever Tenali Rama spent a gold coin, he saw the king's face that was on every gold coin. Number 5. Why were the courtiers puzzled? Answer. The courtiers were puzzled as they did not know how to buy anything without seeing king's face. Fill in the blanks with am, is and are. This is on page 42 of your reader book. Number 1. I dash very excited today. Am. Number 2. We dash going to grandma's house. Are. Number 3. Her house dash very big and beautiful. Is. Number 4. It dash in a village. Is. Number 5. There dash many green trees in the garden. Are. Number 6. In spring the garden dash full of flowers. Is. Number 7. There dash two gardeners to look after the garden. Are. Number 8. Dash you interested in coming with me to grandma's house. Are. So likewise you have to complete this work in your literature copy and learn it properly. Thank you.